Morning student, welcome all of you in your science class. Today students, we are in our chapter number 2 revision. The name of the chapter plants, and we have completed our this portion, that is parts of plant, the root, type of root, then tap root, fibrous root. Today we will discuss about function of the root. So let me start. Root is an important part of a plant. It helps the plant to absorb water and mineral from the soil. It holds the plant upright in the soil. So dear student, here internal question arises ki what is the function of your root? First function is it absorb water and mineral from the soil, and second, it hold the plant upright in the soil. Thus absorption and fixation, here two specific words are used. Absorption and fixation are the two main function of roots. In some plant, root perform a few special function. You can see radish, then carrot, then wheat root. Plant like radish, carrot and wheat root have thick roots which store food for the plants. What they store? They store food for the plant. Now again question rises, name the root which store food for the plant, that is radish, carrot, wheat root. Some such roots are eaten by man and animals. Such roots are called edible root. Again there is question rises, give two example of edible root, three example of edible root, one example of edible root. So whenever we are asking you write the name of edible root, then you can write the name of anyone. Here is one thing, do you know edible root like carrot, radish, beetroot are delicious and nutritious and add variety to the diet. Now next, in some plant, root provide extra support to the plant. For example, the branches of the banyan tree get extra support with the help of special roots that grow downward from the branches. Similarly, some plant like maize have thin and long stems which require extra support and keep them erect. Such plants have root arising from the base of the stem that help to support the plant. So dear students, there are some plants which have aerial roots. Okay, for example banyan tree, then maize plants. In mangrove plants, root do not get sufficient oxygen in the marshy area. In such plants, some breathing roots come out of the soil to get fresh air from the atmosphere. Such roots found in banyan, maize and mangroves plants are called aerial roots. So what are aerial roots? The roots which are arising from the base, okay, and these roots present extra support to the plant, okay, and also help to get sufficient oxygen in the marshy area for the mangroves plants. So dear students, there is some, do you know there is a law against cutting tree for cutting down or pruning any tree. A written permission from the appropriate authority is required. Okay, you can read this, it is very important for your knowledge. You can see, now you can read the function of the roots, after that mangroves, you can read about the aerial roots. Now you can also learn these keyword, very important, and along with that you learn part D, question 1, 2 and 3, because these question we have, question number 1 we have already discussed, 2 we have already discussed, today only question number 3. So learn part D. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.